Hey, this is Paul, and you know me, I love Aeoniums, and today I want to talk a little bit about death blooms and some of the similarities of them and some of the unique differences. So here you can see I have a plethora of different varieties of Aeoniums, but all the flowers are about the same. You can see here they're really yellow, the bees love them, and they come in different stages. So you can see some have set and they're starting to seed while they're still developing and open on the outer edges. They tend to be this cylindrical shape, and you can see about this stage is when I remove them from the plant. Now, if you wanted to grow seeds, you probably could. You would have to leave them on longer, but at this stage, it's just my preference. I like to remove them for a cleaner look. Now, if you go up the hill here, we have some more in an earlier stage, and they're slightly different. They're a purple Aeonium. You can see here, really beautiful yellow. Look at them in the sun, and insects love them. They're stunning, beautiful. You can see the bee. And just one of my favorite times of year, in May, June, into possibly July, we'll get some of these Aeonium blooms here. But again, they're not all the same. Let me go show you one that's more white than yellow. Let's go check it out. So this is Aeonium Sunburst, and you can see the difference in the color of its bloom. So it's much more white compared to the yellow. And it's actually just really stunning. I like them both, but you can see why this is one of my favorite Aeoniums. Now you can see there's very little chlorophyll in here, so this one is not a really good one. You wouldn't want to take this pup. You'd be better off taking a pup leg off of this one. But even on the same plant, you could just see the variation of these wonderful, wonderful color of the leaves and just how beautiful this flower is. Now there are some with an oranger tint. Let's go check out those Aeonium death blooms now. So here's another Aeonium that I really like. This is called Aeonium Berry. And you can see this bloom, the flowers are slightly more orange than the yellow. Now I have another one that's not blooming at this time, but they are actually a true orange flower that's even more orange. So there is a ton of variability in Aeonium death blooms. Some, in fact, some of the varieties of Aeoniums are not even monocarpic, so they won't die. The branch won't die after it blooms. But in this case, this very nice one, it will. You can see it has some nice, beautiful, new little rosettes forming. See them here? It's one of my favorite cultivars here. It's really green in the winter, and then it turns to red. So this is Aeonium Berry. Now let me go show you another death bloom that's pretty interesting. So here's another unique one. This is Aeonium Simsimi, and you can see it's just slightly less saturated. The flowers are very similar, but more what I would describe a pale yellow. And these are just opening up. So that's a really rare variety from what I'm told. Then here's Aeonium Moonglow, if I remember correctly. And if I can remember this one correctly, this is Aeonium Kiwi. You can see the flowers are just about to open. So as you see, I love Aeoniums. I love the variability, the differences in their flowers and their death blooms, and I hope you can grow some and experience these amazing plants yourself. Give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks for your time. Have yourself a wonderful day. Take care.